We are finally getting a thunderstorm after about a week and a half with absolutely no rain and 95 through 100-degree weather. So we're gonna walk around the workshop here in the rain, see how everything's holding up. These are pumpkin plants. You can see the grass is actually starting to turn green again. Here's some cheap plastic Dollar Tree solar lights that are no good. Quit working a couple months after I bought them. Here is the McCain traffic signal light. Malibu low voltage pathway lights. Duracraft by Designer's Edge 175 watt mercury vapor area light fixture. $55-gallon drums full of rainwater. This one's about a little more than halfway full. Regent 175 watt mercury vapor light fixture. Workshop Frigidaire window air conditioning unit with a roof on top of it. And here is the 35-gallon water rain barrel. The downspout here filling up.